the most straightforward way to use visual intelligence on any object on your iPhone. Set a shortcut on the lock screen like this, or in the control center for quick access. Now, click the picture and get the details from the internet or a summary of the product from ChatGPT. To do this, edit your iPhone lock screen, go to the Settings app on iPhone, and scroll to Wallpaper. See the Current Wallpaper, and tap on the Customize option. Now, you can remove an existing shortcut by tapping the minus button, and add a new one by tapping the plus button. Search Visual Intelligence, or tap on Visual Intelligence under the Apple Intelligence and Siri section. Once you set and OK with that, tap on Done to Apple the changes on lock screen. Lock your iPhone and touch and hold on shortcut to open Visual Intelligence on your iPhone screen. Click the picture and find two options, Ask and Search. Get related image with details after searching with Google. As you can see, my showpiece showing with price tag and more. To exit from this screen, tap on the black space to close it and use Ask Forget to summarize the photo from ChatGPT. For the first time, you have to set it up. Tap on Next. Once you're done, you will get some information related to the object. If you have a ChatGPT Premium account, then you can use it. Log in with your ChatGPT account using the Settings app. Launch the Settings app on iPhone. Scroll to the Apple Intelligence and Siri option. Again, scroll to ChatGPT and sign in with your ChatGPT account. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and comment for new free tech guide video updates.